Okay, I'm back. There was some technical problem, I guess. My phone stopped recording at 7 minutes and I did not realize. So we will just pick up where we left off. I'll finish this portion with about 8 minutes. We'll have another 15-minute segment and then a 10-minute segment to make up for last week, and then a small coda or 5 or 6 minute segment at the end. Okay, so we were exaggerating the on-guard stance. Again, the principle here is that when you're learning something, it's sometimes good to do it very exaggerated. If you, for example, are learning a speech, maybe you practice really enunciating clearly. Or if you're learning a dance, you do it slowly for a while. Then sometimes maybe you do it really fast. So anything that exaggerates or breaks the frame of what you're trying to learn can help you in the end. So we were down very low, excessively low, lower than anyone would actually fence. But we're practicing again the fundamental techniques of advanced step snap. So we're going to go 4 up and 4 back. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step snap, step snap, step snap, step snap, and back. Step snap, 2, 3, 4, and back. One more set. 4, 2, 3, 4. Even I start standing up, so it's super low on this one. All right, relax a moment. Let's do that with the non-dominant side. Again, the same principle. Do it out of your comfort zone. Do it in a way that you don't normally do it. Let's get super low, and whichever is not your dominant hand should be the one you're using. So 4 advances. And 4 retreats. Super low, lower than anybody. 4 advances. Step and snap. Make it very precise. 1 more. And back. Again, as a learning principle, as long as we're here, let's look at the mechanics of the lunge on the non-dominant side, and then you practice that. It's a little clumsy, but you sort of get it. When you switch to your dominant side, it should be easier. Many of you, of course, have pretty good lunges. You can always improve them, and some of you that are sort of in the early beginning stages will certainly need to practice this. So let's go non-dominant side. That is, if you are normally right-handed, you become a lefty, and if you're normally left-handed, you become a righty. So watch me. I'm extending my arm as I'm moving this. My toe is coming up. I'm going to kick and lunge. But for now, let's do extension and toe up and back. Extension and toe up and back. Extension and toe up and back. So it's almost like your palm and your toes are connected. Looks a little bit like a machine, doesn't it? So now you're going to be extending, you're going to pick up this toe, you're going to kick it and lunge. Keep this rear leg straight, rear foot flat on the ground, not turned. Both arms out, holding yourself up, shoulder height. Bend your arms, bend your leg, recover very low. As I've said before, like you're in a 4-foot ceiling. So, extend, toe up, kick and lunge. Arms, legs, and recover. Extend, toe up, kick and lunge. Arms, legs, and recover. Extending, toe up, kick that leg, push with your rear leg, bend your arms, recover nice and low, so you're ready for the next move. Extending, and recover, do a couple more, extending, kick and lunge, and recover, and extending, kick and lunge, and recover. Now, go back to the side you're used to. So you're on guard, extending, kick and lunge, I should have said toe up. Bend your arms, bend your leg, and recover. Extending, toe up, kick, and lunge. Bend your arms, bend your legs, and recover. Extending, toe up, kick, and lunge. Arms, leg. Extending, toe, kick, lunge. Arms, leg. Extending, toe, kick, lunge. Arms, leg. Extending, toe, kick, lunge. Arms, leg. 2 more. Extending, toe, kick, and lunge. Arms, leg. Extending, toe, kick, and lunge. Arms and leg. That should feel like home to you. That is, having done it on the non-dominant side to sort of break the ice and sort of get used to it in a way that's not natural. Then when you come to the natural side, it should feel easier. That again is something you can use for anybody. So we are going to do some timed advances and retreats. So that means within 30 seconds, I want you to do 20 advances and 20 retreats. We're spiraling back to just advances and retreats for the moment. So it should look something like this. You can do them in any combination you like. You could do 4 advances, 4 retreats, work up to 20 of each. You could do 3 advances, 2 retreats, 4 advances, 1 retreat. You have to kind of keep track, maybe in your hands. But it's a timed event, so you're just doing advances and retreats for a total of 20 advances, 20 retreats. Plenty of time to do this. All right, we're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're advancing and retreating any combo you like, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s. Your feet are very lively, your legs are nicely bent. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? Did you get 40 total, 20 advances, 20 retreats? All right, relax, shake that out. We're going to do it again. And we will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Clapping is going to keep you going. Make sure that you do a complete advance and a complete retreat and don't skip any part of it. I'll explain that in a minute. Advance, 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 retreat, retreat, whatever you want. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. I'm going to check the video. All right, let's ratchet it up to 25 advances, 25 retreats in 25 seconds. So you need an advance and retreat in 1 second on average, which is easy to do. Here, watch. That's less than a second. But notice that I'm making a complete advance, no matter which way I'm going, complete retreat, 2 parts. Step, snap, step, snap. Not, okay, so you want 25 advances, 25 retreats, 25 seconds. Ready? Nice and low. Torso relaxed, everything relaxed. You're just going to let your ankles work and your legs be very nice and bent. 25. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Keep those feet moving. You can even blank your mind and just let your body do what it's supposed to do. 10 seconds. And stop. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and I'll resume this in the next one.